Bloody monkeys everywhere.
This guy works here. Have you seen what his ID card says? Morning. I've actually been out here already, and I just thought to myself, this is gonna cure a bit of a disease that I have that makes me think I should be like in Spain or somewhere. Just come here for a few days and then go back to normal China. I know that it's weird because it is China, but it looks a little bit like Spain, doesn't it? You've got an hotel and next door there's a bit of a building site. There's a pool, there's a beach, there's a sea. There's just no rush to get your towel on your bed. Well, we start where all good adventures begin, a trip to the supermarket to get an umbrella. Then we're off to go see some monkeys. And we're going to go on the bus for a bit of an adventure. But the guy told me in the hotel, he just said to me, no, you don't want to get a bus because you won't go to the right place. And he seemed quite genuine. He tried to sell me a hire car, but I showed him that it's cheaper to get an Uber, and he said, yeah, you're better off getting an Uber, mate. Hi! We've just arrived at the monkey place, or at least I think we have. Well, there's a big monkey there. Here, there's a map here, let's have a look at this. So we're here at the ticket office. That's first step, go on this cable car. And then the adventure begins. Do you know why there's clouds over this bit? Because it's not actually an island, it's connected to Hainan, so it's more like a bay. Look at this guy here. Shit all over his head. You say hello.
Hello, hello.
Say hello. No, he's not playing. Right, we're off. Woo! Well, we've arrived at the monkey circus show. Oh, there's a monkey. Oh, there's another monkey. Oh, it's fun. It's actually fun. What else is there? I'm going to get this camera nicked by a monkey. Oh, they're everywhere. I wonder when they're going to get boring. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, they're going to end up nicking my shit, aren't they? Oh. Oh, they are actually well cute. Oh. Well, let's stay here all day and just play with monkeys. Ah! It just jumped on me. Oh my God. I want to go home. Oh no, everyone's looking at me. That were awful. It dived on me. What? There's bits of shit on my arm. Oh, I'm not playing anymore. Oh, you just put some peanut shell in my drink. It's not for you, it's for me. Oh, I can't have it anymore, can I? What is it with you guys? Oh, that were mine. It's got gas in it, you won't like it. Oh, they're all coming for a drink now. Well, don't say you didn't get up from me. Oh, they're a little bit scary, you know. It is a little bit scary. Yeah. Hiya. Hello. Say hello. Oh, the stink. Oh, it's kicking off. They smell like a wet dog. Oh, where are they all going to? Oh, there's a fight. Let's follow. What's going on, lads? I'm not bending down there. What the hell's going on? So you get trapped in a booth and you can feed them. How come they're not coming to get me? I don't get it. These guys are just chilling out, having their lunch. Oh yeah, oh, get it now. You can have your lunch and they won't nick it. You get to decide what you feed them. Have your lunch in peace. That's it. You come to Monkey Island and have your lunch. Got to pay extra to have it in peace. Do not rummage your bag. Do not feed without permission. Do not touch or tease the monkeys. Big statue of a monkey there. I'm actually having loads of fun. It's well more fun than I thought. I thought it were going to be like cruel. I'm following these guys. Is this the right place to go? Monkey circus show. I could sit here all day and watch Chinese kids on mini-arms.
好了，接下来调转方向，再来一次。
These must be very, very naughty monkeys. They're in the confinement room for monkeys. I found some monkeys on a rock here. I don't think they're tied up. Oh, look at this little one. Oh, he's scared of me. Oh, look at his little eyes. It's actually really fun. It's well worth coming. If you piss him off, he's going to hit you. I'm giving it a VSC. Oh god, they're all coming now. This guy works here. Have you seen what his ID card says? We're back where it all begun. Well, that were well fun. I wasn't expecting it to be. I thought it were going to be like really cruel and I'd be upset, but I actually didn't even see any monkeys tied up, apart from the ones that were entertaining us. Yeah, you know the ones that were tied up getting whipped if they didn't go around on bike. Turns out the cute monkeys had made me forget all about that. I'm just going to finish with this footage of monkeys like cleaning themselves. It's cute, but also when I was watching it I thought you can't put this in video because it started making me itch. And now I've said that, I bet you're thinking, ooh yeah, checking for fleas. It's making me feel a bit scratty. Right, well that's your lot. Monkey Kingdom's over. Where are we going next? I don't bloody know. See ya. Bye.